What's up, y'all? It's Maya Yvonne and I'm back with another video. Hey to all my new babies. If you're new here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So this is like a little last minute video. I'm in the Dollar Tree. Y'all know this is my store. I have a pop-up shop December 20th this Sunday, if you didn't know. So I am kind of getting some stuff for my pop-up shop. I got some card holders, some candy bags, and y'all, I'm also gonna be making a flower wall drop just for me to do videos on. I'll show y'all me doing it too. But yeah, I'm just here getting some little knickknacks to go on my table, just giving myself ideas. But if y'all want to see everything that I got, just stay tuned, and I'll also be showing you guys me making my flower board. So yeah, after this I'm gonna head to the gym, y'all. Don't mind this thing, so stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at home. Ignore the clutter on my desk, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. Period. So y'all, if y'all don't know, like I said, my first pop-up shop is this Sunday, December 20th. Today is the 15th. So yeah, my first pop-up shop is this Sunday, and y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all what I grabbed, some few goodies for my first pop-up shop. So as y'all can see, these little jewelry gift boxes in the background. These were $1 at Dollar Tree. I will be using these to put my accessories in because I don't have like boxes for my accessories yet. I'm still trying to find a vendor for that. If y'all know of a vendor or where I can get that made, comment down below. But as y'all can see, if someone purchases some jewelry, it'll be like that. So there we have the baby girl earrings and the baby girl necklace. This set is on sale for $10. You can go to the website and purchase that now. All items are on sale. So this how to be, you know, the Christmas theme. I'll just have these set up on my table to bring attention, you know, holiday season. So yeah, that's how the jewelry boxes will look. I have like 8 of these. I'll go back and get some more, but they only had silver, and my colors are black, pink, and white. Silver and gold could be there too. So yeah, I only got those. So yeah, I also got 2 of these. So what I'll be putting in here is candy. I got this idea from Kanisha, KDK Beauty. I watched her video on what to get for a pop-up shop. It's your first one. So she's saying to fill up the jars with the candies to attract your customers' attention, people's attention. And y'all, it's gonna be really, really cute. Like, I'm gonna have the flyers sticking out of this. So she's saying if they want some candy, they gotta take one of your flyers. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna create my flyer. Candy, sneakers. I went with the color of my brand. I got pink and brown. Brown isn't my color, but it goes in pink. I also got 2 card holders. So like once people come up to my table, I will be able to sit my business cards, a stack of them. It's not trying to act right now, y'all, but cards on the table so they'll be able to pick them up. So I got 2 of those. Y'all, Dollar Tree has everything, literally. Also, I don't have no one to like make me a sign, so I'm just gonna design. If y'all don't know, I do graphic design as well. I'm gonna design my own personal flyer to catch people's attention and put one on this side of the table. That side, I'll just go to FedEx and get it printed out to actually fit into the frame. So yeah, all of this is basically DIY, y'all, and it's gonna save me a lot of money. So I got a pack of popsicle sticks. Show y'all what I'm gonna do with these. Kanisha gave me this idea. Y'all go check her video out. So if y'all seen my other video when I did Small Business Saturday, I got these printed out at FedEx. I might get them printed out a little smaller, but it'll be a different flyer than this. This is just an example. So I'm gonna be gluing this to the back of these. I have my glue as well. So you're just gonna take a glue stick, glue your popsicle stick to the back, and once your customers come up, these will be sticking out of the jar the candy will be sending them up with them. And if they want some candy, y'all gonna have to get a flyer. Cause period, I'm doing all this hard work and y'all want some of this candy, y'all got to get a flyer. So it's gonna be different, but this is just an example. Period. So people can say they attended the pop-up shop and came and showed me love. Got me some baggies as well. Like y'all know, I said my branding colors. So I got some baggies. I got a lot of those. Some tissue paper, white tissue paper. And this video, I will be making a flower drop. So y'all stay tuned for this as well. I just wanted to show y'all what I got from my pop-up shop since I went to Dollar Tree. So I got like a ton of flowers. I love pink. If y'all don't know, pink is my favorite color. So I got like plenty flowers, different shades of pink. I'll show y'all those once I start making the board. And I got a hardboard poster board. I might cut it. And I also got some super glue to put the flowers on. So that's basically what I got so far. I gotta go to FedEx, get my stuff printed out. I might get some more stuff before then. But I'm very nervous, y'all, because this is my first pop-up shop, but I'm excited. So if you in Memphis, Tennessee, come out and support your girl December 20th for my first pop-up shop. And stay tuned for more of this video because I will be showing you guys me making my flower backdrop. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm on the floor because I'm doing this on the floor for better stability. So I'm not gonna measure or nothing. I'm just gonna go with the flow. As y'all can see, I got a lot of flowers. And I was just in Dollar Tree picking stuff up. So this is the first time try. I got some super glue. I hope it worked. This is just the first time try, y'all. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it and see if it works. And I'm just finna see. So I'm just gonna put a little glue. This is gel super glue. Put a little glue like that. And y'all, if this glue don't stick, I ain't gonna do nothing but use me some tape. Cause we ghetto around here. And we want our flower drop by any means. So I ain't gonna do nothing but use me some tape, y'all. Period. That super glue don't work. So the super glue not working, so since this is my first time, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna tape my flowers. Super glue ain't working, so I'm taping them like that. And I'm just about to go with the flow. If you want a budget and you just want a cute little quick backdrop, go to Dollar Tree, get you some tape, because the super glue ain't working. Get you some tape, about 20 flowers, and a poster board. Cause period, we ain't been letting us stop us from making ours. And if you gotta tape it on both sides, then do this, sis. Period. We want our flowers to stay. Ain't nobody gotta know. Keep them folks at your business, okay? Period. Y'all, for 2021, don't let nobody tell you what you can and what you can't do. Just do it. Just get up and do it. Don't tell nobody your plans. Just get up. Just do it. Because sometimes you tell people stuff and they don't want the best for you. And that throws off your plans. If you telling people with bad vibes, what you gonna do? So just do it, y'all. I ain't telling nobody else to make me a flower board. Why? Girl, you probably don't need to make your flower board like that, girl. That's gonna look wretched, girl. You should pay this person or that person. Look, if I want to do it myself, I'ma do it myself. I looked on YouTube and a lot of DIY stuff be real cute and I be wanting to try it. So that's what I'm doing. Y'all see this? It's gonna be so pretty. I'm just doing it though, y'all. I'm not being specific to where I want stuff to go. I'm just putting it on there. But y'all stay tuned. I'm about to speed this up. Y'all, so these are the finished results. Wow, I didn't do anything on these two sides because I'm just gonna have it hanging like this, you know, once I film. Let me try to show y'all an example. And these might fall out because I didn't glue them down, I just stuck them in there. Because basically I'm just gonna be filming, y'all see. And those things falling out, I ain't glue those down. This just for extra, but yeah. Hold on, one more thing. Okay. So yeah, y'all. Basically, I went to Dollar Tree, got all my stuff, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when I post, and I'll see you guys in the next video.